Yo, anyways, a different kind of video. So I have this bike here for like a month ago. It's a 2022 Yamaha R3 R15, like half of those. Like R15 22 model. It's V3, and it's used with 34,000 kilometers in mileage. I mean, it's not that bad. I got it for like almost 8k in unit measure. And yeah, like reason why I want to make this video is that I want to replace the signal, because a few days ago I dropped I dropped the bike. Yeah, my city governor is fucking causing it to drop, and a few scratches here and there, like in this side mirrors here, and here, and then signal is, yeah. I mean, it still functions. Here's my key. Oh wait. But it still functions. See? Looking on the other side. So look at this new signal. At first I thought it's the exact model, because this signal is not stock. It's aftermarket. I had the exact model, but you see the difference. I actually want to just replace one. But if I just replace one with this, that is white, this is black, and racism solved. This is my first time trying to DIY shit on my bike. I'm really happy to get my own bike finally, like after a lot of months of saving. Anyway, let's get this out. What is this? Oh, glue. Oh, it's the tape I put. I think it's not good. Oh shit. Oh. Anyways, yeah. I hope I don't have to remove that, because I don't have. Well, I do have it, but it's not the proper size for it. And I would have fuck invented that torque. Is it what it's called? Torque screw size. That's just get in there. Oh wait, that's tiny. I don't wanna. Right, I don't wanna lose that. Let's put it in here. There. And do I have to? I don't think I have, because I saw someone opening this thing, and I don't think he removed that. I think that is necessary. Some screws are not screwed, because there's some kind of pins. There's gonna be more. That is a pin. Yeah, it is a pin. Is it just one screw? Hold up. If I remember, I just clicked the. Oh. Where did it fall? There you are. Ha! Thank God. Just like this. Yep. Oh, I wanna do that. Should be another one right here. Looks like that. Should be. Yep. That's it. Okay, it's good. So, if I'm not mistaken, there's in total 4. So two should be behind here, like this guy. Ow. Oh. Get up. Get. What? There we go. Alright. Now, the last one should be right there. I hope it's. Yep. Yeah. Yep. I thought I was looking at this one. So just push this and pull. Right now, how do I know this? Oh yeah, it's not the front, it's the back. Now it's loose. I have to review them. What the? What? What the fuck? Get in. There we go. Turn. See? Let's see. Yeah. Where's my? Where's it? There you are. I can't see. It's over here. Now let's lift this up and come on. Let's go. Oh my god. There we go. Now I can see what years. When did that happen? No wonder yesterday there was a fucking wasp trying to get into my bike. Yeah. Oh, phew. Speed up. Right. Fuck wasp. Should be. Let's get it up. This one. Yeah. Let's put it here. Let's go. Shut up. What? No. Okay. Yep, I have access to this. And now let's. If I remember, they just pull it. Pop. Just pop right back out. And now, I need to remember. Alright, just in case I'm using the camera. Fuck. Right, red, black, left. Just remember this. Red is right. Red RR. So yeah. It's oh, that was easy. Okay, I don't need a pliers or something. Thank God. Alright. Yeah. Wait. Oh, okay. There. And then that's it. And let's like this. And do okay. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. That was so hard. Let's get it in. Oh. I forgot something. This thing. Just like this. Get it? This? Yeah. That. Which one is? Hold up, man. It's like that. Oh, I forgot about this one. Oh my God. And in this thing in, and then this. Get it? I should stop doing this week. And yeah. Alright. And into the thing. Haha. Oh. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, so how was it? Alright, now, where is red? Where is red? Because red is red. Red is right. I should get the camera in. Yeah, do this thing. Now, red is right. It's supposed to be clicking. Shut up, children. Maybe. I guess it's in. That's what she said. And the other one, black. Easy. Oh. Fuck you. Oh. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Dashboard on. Yeah, boy. Easy. Oh, mechanic. Whoa, we did this. Whoa. They're not too different from each other. Yeah. You know what? Let's keep it this way. One, I'm lazy. Two, so it doesn't look that like seriously, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look bad at all. Alright. Well, that's done. Now I have to put everything together. Good. Everything works. There we go. all of this works. Oh, this is Doro.